Yeah. So always remember you need to stop. These are the steps. Okay. All should have the configuration file, same configuration file. First, remember you need to stop the MongoDB, then start the MongoDB as a fork process by keeping the fork is true. Fork is true is nothing but this line. First, you need to keep this line alone in the configuration file, and then you need to start.
Okay.
And then you need to start the MongoDB. Means you need to start the MongoDB using the fork process. Okay, by keeping this fork as true. Okay, and then you need to start create the admin user. Okay, then
Okay.
only you need to enable the authorization.
Okay.
So in this, like I have uh, so I have create started this as a background process. See, I have started this as a background process. Now I'm going to create the user, admin user. Okay, same like this. So same how I have created here, same.
Okay.
Okay, so I have created the user. Now I need to enable the authorization. So before before editing the authorization, what is the command to stop the MongoDB?
MongoDB. S.
That is one command I said, right? Like manually stopping MongoDB.
Yeah. MongoDB grip. PS.
That is for checking whether MongoDB is running or not. I'm with this my means I need to stop the MongoDB instance. My MongoDB instance is in running state only. I need to stop this.
Yeah. I need to config is MongoDB. MongoD config. It is a.
No, that is for starting the MongoDB database. I'm asking for stopping.
Yeah. We can use shutdown. Although we are not using shutdown for
Yeah,
Mac.
that is the thing. Yeah, use admin and then
Shutdown.
shut down server. Yeah. Now if we give ps-ef grep, this thing means you can see MongoDB stop.
Mm.
Now you need to alter the file. Okay.
Okay.
You need to enable the authorization. Now you need to start. How will you start? MongoDB config as etc MongoDB.conf. It started. Now
Okay.
if you use mongo -u admin and then that's it. So now all the MongoDB instances having 5.0.32 version, and all are having the same configuration file, and all are having the same version of OS. Okay, so everything is done. So
Mm.
let's go with the next step. So what's the next step? So you need to have we have authentication enabled, correct? Authorization is enabled. Now we need to enable the authentication. Means each node should connect to each other, right? Like one node should listen to the other node. Then only it is possible to do the failover and all, correct? Like if
Okay.
any node fail down means the automatic failover happen only if all the nodes are in sync. They can able to listen each other, correct? So we
Okay.
need
Yes.
to enable, yeah, we need to have the key file enabled in all those instances. Okay, for that I need to create a key file in the primary, and I need to share the key file in the all the nodes. Okay, that's the second thing. Okay, so first thing we need to create a key file in the primary. So this is the command. Okay,
Okay. Mm.
so this is the command. I need to create a key file. So before creating a key file, this is the thing. So ensure all the three nodes have MongoDB installed. We have installed MongoDB in all the three instances, right?
Yes.
So that one is done. Second thing, whitelist port 27017. You need to get the port IP whitelisted in all the three instances so that each instance can connect to each.
Okay.
Okay. So what you need to do, you need this one we won't do. We will ask the DevOps engineer or server team to do this. Like you will ask them, I need all my three instance should be connect with the port number 2707 with each other, like that you will say. Okay.
Okay.
So if you go here, let's go to one. Let's open a two tab, duplicate tab. So this one DevOps engineer only will do. You don't take that much headache. Okay. In Mongo one, go to security group. Okay. If you go to security group, you will be having the inbound rule. Okay. In this
Okay.
inbound rule, you need to add the permission. Okay. You can click this and you can give edit inbound rules and you can add rule, and here you can give the custom IP, and you can give the port number 27017. Okay, and here you need to give, this is Mongo 1. Okay, so you need to give the IP of Mongo 2 and Mongo 3. Okay, you need to give the public IP.
Okay.
I guess public IP or private IP. We need to give the private IP, I guess. Private IP only. So you need to give the private IP. Okay. So private IP only doesn't change us, correct? The public IP will change. So we need to give the private IP. So here you can give Mongo 2. This is IP of Mongo 2. Then in this, what you need to do, you need to give the IP of Mongo 3. You
Okay.
do you get me like what I'm doing?
Yes. So,
Yeah, I'm just whitelisting the IP in all the servers.
okay. So it's the private IP we will use instead of a
Yeah,
public.
private IP, because it will listen, means that public IP will change every time, right? But this private IP doesn't change. You need to enabling the port number. So this is Mongo one instance. In Mongo one instance security group, I am allowing 27017 for both Mongo 2 and Mongo 3, and I am saving this rule. Okay,
Okay.
so same like that I need to do for 2 and 3. So I'm going to 2, and in this security I'm going down. In this
One and
security
three.
group launch wizard 2, I am just editing inbound rules, and I'm giving add, and I'm custom IP, it's 27017, and I'm giving the IP of
For one.
1. What is the IP of 1 instance?
The
Click
private
this.
IP.
This is the private IP.
Okay.
I'm giving this,
MongoDB
keeping a
one.
1. Okay, and then add, then I'm giving 27017, I'm giving the IP of 3. This is Mongo 3. Save rules. Now same I need to do for 3 as well. Come down, security, in this resort. Here, as you know, like I have created two instance at the same time. If you
Mm-hmm.
remember, I have created two instances at the same time, correct?
Yes,
Mongo
correct.
2
Yes.
and 3. So both are having the same security group. So in this, you just add the second one IP alone. What is the second one IP? You just add that alone, because we are having already Mongo 2 and 1 and 3, and you need to add the second one alone. So I am just whitelisting the IP. So these and all will be done by the DevOps engineer. You don't need to worry about this. You just ask them, please whitelist the IP between all these server. The IP port number is the port number is 27017, and the IP are these IPs. You won't give the IP also. You will just the port, say the port number. I just want this port number to be whitelisted in all the three instance, so that all the three instance should connect to each other with this particular IP, like that you will say them. Okay. So what they will do, they will enable the port number.
Okay. So we've done the
So
same
this
thing on MongoDB one, is that right? That's what we did first.
sorry, come again.
We've done the security for MongoDB one, is that right?
Yeah,
We put
that is
two
the
and three.
one which we have done first. We have done first for Mongo 1, and it's
Yes.
already whitelisted. If you go to security, you can see here. See, for
Yes.
Mongo 2 and 3, I have given this.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
For
Yes.
that both for 2 and 3 they are having the same security group, so I have whitelisted all three. So now
Yes.
this thing is done. Like second thing is also done. Whitelist port number in this, it's done. So each
Okay.
node can talk to other through port number. This is done. Then third, the next thing is set up ECT host on 3 nodes for name resolution. You need to just give your private IP and then your name like Mongo one. You can give anything. Test one, test two, test three. This is the naming convention. You can keep anything. Okay.
Okay. It's a private type. Right. Okay. Good.
This
Good.
is my private IP. Okay.
Mm.
I'm just, yeah, I need to change the IP. So I need to give the IP of mine. So first one, this is the IP. So for the second one, this is the IP. For the third one, this is the IP. Okay. Just copy this and you need to add this in all the MongoDB instances. So Mongo one, you need to go vi etc post. Okay. In this I, you can add this.
Mm.
Okay. Just copy and add here. So you need to do this in all the instances. Okay. So
Mm.
Mongo 2 also you need to do. Okay. I, okay, I need to give in Mongo 3 as well. Okay, I have done. You need to give that private IP only. Okay, that particular instance private IP, all the three instance private. If you are having two cluster, you need to give the two IP alone, two private IP and the naming in all in the both the clusters. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
So
Yeah.
this is also done. If you follow this document, it will be fine. So we have ensured all the nodes are running. We have changed the configuration file and we have made it run. All are having the same version. We have whitelisted the IP. Then we have set this thing. Now we need to create the key file for internal authentication. Okay, between the authentication between each thing, we need to set this. Okay, so first thing we need to create a key file. We'll go to Mongo one, and in this we can create a file. Okay, so we have created this and now we need to change the permission now. So these are the permission you need to give. Just copy, paste it here. Okay. So MongoDB, there is no user. We are having user Mongo. So you can give Mongo. The Mongo user is already existed. So you can give Mongo. It is not showing Mongo. Okay, we can create a user, no issue. I need to create a user. So what is the user add MongoDB? Okay. I'm just creating. So if I need to add this in my sudo.s file. Okay.
Mm.
In this, I need to add my user MongoDB so that it will access a root. In
Okay.
this, if I add MongoDB, it will be my root user.
Mm.
MongoDB, same this. Okay.
Mm.
So do this in all the three. Okay. Because we don't have we don't have a user MongoDB. Okay, so we need to create this. Okay, for that what we need to do, you are giving user add MongoDB. This will create a OS user. Then if you go to etc and sudo s, you can make this as a sudo user. Sorry, vi. I'm giving. So these and all Linux team will do. Okay, these things I know because I have practiced on my own. Means I know some of the Linux administrations, so I do this on my own. But most probably this these and all will be done by the Linux team people only. Okay, you don't need to worry about this like these user creation these things. Okay, but for you just installation purpose, I'm just letting you know.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I've created. So this one I have created, so they can go with this line. Sorry, this one.
Mm-hmm.
Now if you give this line, it will works.
To connect with
Okay,
MongoDB. Okay.
so yeah, we have created this key file. Now what we need to copy this key file to all three nodes, same path, same and permission. We need to move this to same path because this file should be same across each thing. So what we need to do, we need to go to this path, and in this we need to search for that file. Okay, what is the file name? Mongo. Sorry. So this is the key file. Okay, I need to copy this key file. Okay, from this to that. Okay, so how will I copy here? If you here there is one thing is there. We go here, it will take outside. Okay, if you see
Mm-hmm.
here there is upload button is there, right? It will take from this. So here you need to change the path. You can keep the path here. You can go this, can go to then upload this. You can give this path. Okay, it will come here. If you give etc means it will come. So you need to choose the file here. What is the file name? Mongo. This is the key file. See, I have chosen this key file and
Okay.
give upload.
Okay.
Then keeping in this Ajay folder. File name. Okay, this is not the procedure I guess. Okay, this is SF. See here, SFTP is there, right? You need
Mm.
to give the IP.
Oh,
I
okay.
have created this one, right? So I need to give the IP. Mongo one IP is this one. I need to give the public IP. Same public IP I need to give. Then username is EC2 hyphen user. Then I need to give the
Mm-hmm.
okay. So what it will connect it. So
Okay.
here this is my server. Connection closed. Okay. I guess I need to give the private file, PPK file.
So we're gonna connect with MongoDB or EC2 user.
Yeah, using EC2 user. You need to use the private key. No, it's same like how you have connected to the mobile exam, same credentials, but you need to choose the SFTP.
Okay.
SFTP means moving the file from here to outside. If
Oh,
you
okay.
go here,
Mm.
if
Okay.
you no, why it is showing fail? Can give root. It's not getting connected. There is another tool is there, WinSCP. You can do this. The day I have
Yeah,
said, right? Do you
yeah,
remember?
yeah, yeah. I've used that before. Yeah. Mm.
Yeah, here I can give MongoDB root, can give authentication private file. Okay, you can change the permission as of now. Okay, because this is in MongoDB different user, right?
Mm.
So you need to create the change the username here.
Oh,
ch1 ec2 user ec2 user. Then you can give this file. Okay, now if you go outside from this and after moving them there, you can change the owner. Okay,
okay, sure.
you remember what I'm saying? Means
Okay,
can you get me like I'm saying? That's why, because that is for ec2 user only we are having the ppk file, right? So mostly these things will be done by them only, like what to say, Linux team.
okay,
So I don't know, means they will do somewhere in a proper way, but I am for this sake I am saying we can keep that as a easy to user, and then once the file has been moved to the other two nodes we can change the username. Okay.
okay. That makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's working now. Mm.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like why it's because like okay, so here itself you can change, here itself you can move. So if you go, so you have this file in the location, right? Now if you go to mongo 2, okay, and then go to etc folder, okay, if you give this thing you can go, if you change this path to etc, okay, then you can click this and you can go and directly upload the file in mobile exam itself.
Mm.
It is not showing. Otherwise no issues, you can use the WinSCP itself to connect to each instance and you can move from outside to inside. Here you can give the 2 IP of 2, because I'm moving the file to the second server now. Okay,
Okay. Mm.
I'm giving the IP of this server. Advanced setting. Always remember, keep changing this advanced setting and add this ppk.
Okay.
See, now it's connected.
Okay.
So better you can use this itself. In this you can go root, then choose etc folder and move the mongo key file. Sorry. can move this. Showing some error. Let us do one thing. Give me one second. Let us change the. Give me one second. So this is the Mongo one, right?
Okay.
I'm just changing the permission. Okay, 777 Mongo key file, and I'm keeping this in MongoDB and MongoDB, same thing. Okay, changing the owner. Okay, now I'm going to try. I'm deleting the file here. So I'm just removing the file again. Okay, by
Okay.
changing the permission. Previously,
Okay.
it doesn't have any permission. So maybe due to that, it was an issue. So let us try using the no credentials.
Okay.
I'm editing this. Okay, here I'm going to etc again. Moving the file here. It's moved. Okay, now I'm new tab opening. I'm opening new tab. In this, I'm giving the Mongo 2 IP. I hope this time it works because I have changed the permission, so it will work, I guess.
Mm.
I have kept the permission at 77, so it will work. Oh, I gave private IP. Sorry, sir. So in this again root etc. This one. Why it is showing? Okay, this one here. Otherwise, we will do one thing. We'll create a folder here. Okay,
Okay.
we'll create a folder here, test, and then we can change the permission, full permission for this folder. We'll try to move. See, that's the issue. The etc folder doesn't have the full access. So same like this, we'll move to
Ah,
this, and after that we'll do.
ah,
After that, we can move to the particular path and we can change the permission. But the content, the only thing is we need to move the file in all the three instances. That's the thing. Like in the same position. Okay, we can do either way, either any way. So what I'm doing is I tried to moving on the etc folder itself, but it got failed due to some permission issue. So what I have done is I have created a temporary folder. Okay, I have created a temporary folder there, and I'm doing this. So same like that, I'm going to do for this Mongo 3 as well. For Mongo
ah,
3, I'm going in the etc. I'm the in the etc. I'm going to create a folder test for temporary, and I'm giving the full permission. Okay,
okay.
chmod 777. Okay, now this the folder is having the full access.
Okay.
So I'm creating a folder test. Okay, so inside this I have created a folder test. So
Okay.
in that test you can move that.
Ah,
So you're getting my point, right? Like if I move directly here, it is showing permission denied, which
yeah,
means
permission issue.
this
Yeah.
particular folder doesn't have any access. It restricted some access. So what I'm
Okay.
doing is I have created some folder test manually inside this folder. Okay,
Yeah, it's clear. It's clear
what I
to
have
me.
done is this is my folder. I have given the full access for this folder.
To the
Okay.
folder.
Now if
Yeah.
I move this file, means it will get moved. Okay. Now I can change the position to the original thing what I need. Okay. Now Mongo 3. Now inside the test, I'm having this file. Okay. If you see here, I'm having this file. Okay. Now what I'm doing is I'm moving this file. Okay, to where etc folder.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
So move star then etc.
Okay.
So it got moved. If I go to etc now, and if I give ls-ltr grep -i mongo means it will show the file mongo key file. See, now it is. So our thing is like first we need to move inside the folder, and then after that we can move in within the folder, within the cluster. So now I need to give the permission as that ch1 mongo db then this file.
Mm.
Okay, so also I
Yes.
need to give the permission like this. Okay, that's it. So see, so in one, let's see, null also it is there, correct?
Yes.
So I need to change the permission here. So same like that, but here the MongoDB is user. So same like that, I need to do here. I need to go to the test folder, and I can see the file here. So what I need to give move star, then I need to give etc. So it will go to the etc folder. Now if I go to the etc folder, and then I need to give ch1 MongoDB then this key file.
Mm.
Okay, then chmod 755 then the key file. Now if I give ls-ltr, you can see this thing. So all the thing is having this key file in the same value. So this thing is also done. Okay, here they have asked us to give 400. Okay, so we can use that thing. Okay, we can use 400. Okay, same here.
Mm.
400 means it's kind of restricting permission. Only
Yes.
the root that particular user is having the access. So this one is done. Okay, then configure each MongoDB instance. So we need to add the replication name as same in all the instance. So this is the primary thing. We need to have the replica set name as same. So this one primary and two replica will comes under this name only. Inside that rs0 we will be having one primary and two secondary. It's kind of a network thing. So we need to have the replication set name as common across all the clusters, and then
Okay.
we need to add this key file. We need to
Okay.
add this key file, and then we need to give the bind ip so that any instance can connect from any ip.
Okay.
The client can connect any ip.
Using zero
Okay, if
zero
they
zero.
have the port access, It's kind of custom IP. You can any IP from they can connect. If you want to specific the IP here, you can mention the specific IP also. But if we give 0.0.0.0 means they can connect from anywhere if only if they have the port access.
Okay. All connection. Okay.
Yeah. So now we need to do this thing and we need to restart the MongoDB. Okay. So what first we need to do? First we will go with the MongoDB one. Okay. We need to stop the instance. How will you stop? Mongo use admin at 123. Okay. So use admin db dot shutdown server. Okay. Exit. So once it has been done, we need to change the configuration file, correct? So we need to add these lines. What are the lines you need to add? In this key file security, you need to give the key file name. Okay, what is the key file path? etc mongo hyphen key file, correct? Then what are the line you need to add? Then you need to add replication.
Yeah, the replication RS something.
Repl set name as rs0.
Yeah, RS0. Yeah.
Then you need to give the bind IP here.
Okay, for the network. Okay.
So bind IP is here is localhost. We can
Okay.
give 0.0.0 so that each cluster can connect with each other. Okay. Now I'm
Okay.
saving. Okay. I'm saving and I'm trying to start my database. Okay. Let's see what it shows. I guess it will show some error. I guess. So it started giving mongo u hyphen. It's connected. What it is showing? Zero to warning for installation. So starts. It's not recommended. Okay. So you need to run this because sometimes this SC in Linux, right?
Okay.
There is SC Linux. Okay, this SC Linux will block some process. So if you read this, you will get to know this SC Linux environment. What it will do, it will think these files as different file, like harmful files. We need to let know the SC Linux that these files, this Mongo key file is related to MongoDB. So we need to run these things. Okay.
Okay.
I'm running this in cluster 1. So we need to run this as a root. Okay. So once this is done, we can connect like this. So we need to have this in all the files. You need to change in all the configurations. So we need to run this in all the thing.
Okay.
Sudo set enforce zero. Then this line. Force 0. Then this line. Then you need to change the configuration file in here as well, right? You need to stop. You need to stop the MongoDB. Sorry, shut down. Same like this here also. So why I am changing this is I need to change the configuration file. So I am just stopping my MongoDB because I have moved the key file, right? So I need to mention the key file in my configuration file. So please stop me if you are not getting anything because I will
It's clear.
confuse.
No, it's clear. Yeah.
Sorry, yeah. I'm just adding this key file and keeping this bind IP as 000 so that each port can each node can connect with each other.
Connect to each other.
Okay.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah.
Yeah. Then I'm these two things. Then Mongo key file. Then the other thing. What is the thing? Other thing. This replica set name. We need to have this name in all the
Yeah,
cluster.
grab that one.
Okay,
Yeah.
then only it will run. Yeah.
I think there's another third one again.
Sorry.
Okay. Oh, I thought there's another we've done for the network for the
So same I need to give this in same here as well. So that's why it got error. Now I got one error, right? That is due to this.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
just killing this.
In quotes.
That's the code. I have missed the codes here. So only it got the issue while connecting to database. It shows some error, right?
Okay.
So that is due to this. See, I have missed the codes here. So just add the codes
Okay.
here. And then now start the database. It's showing different. Let's see what's the issue here. Let's start here as well. Oh, I have given some. I give KT file. I have added T here. Oh, sorry. I need to keep the F caps. Same like this I need to do here. I need to stop. I have stopped. I need to change the CNF file. So this is the find, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Now I have added all the thing, and I am going to start the database. So it's already running, I guess. I haven't stopped. It's not running. It's not MongoDB.key.
Okay, no dots. Okay.
You need to keep correctly. See, now I have changed the configuration. I have shared the key file, so these steps are done.
Okay.
Okay, I have
Mm.
shared I have changed this in thing. I restarted everything. It's done. This
Okay.
step is also done. So now I need to connect to any one of the node and initialize the replica. Okay,
Okay.
now
Mm.
I'm going to Mongo one. Okay, I'm just connecting. I'm inside the Mongo one, and I'm going to initialize the replica. So what is the command to initialize the replica? This is the command. So
Okay.
in this, you need to replace your IP. So your
Okay.
IP means this IP. Instead of Mongo one, you need to give this host. Okay.
Okay. In colon. Okay.
Instead of Mongo one, you need to give this. Instead of this, you need to give this.
Okay.
Instead of this, you need to give this.
Mm.
And then the ID is same only. The ID RSO is the replica set name. Now you need
Okay.
to copy this to run in the first one. So it has been created.
Mm.
See, now with this becomes secondary. Okay. Now if I give Mongo hyphen u admin means, see, it is also secondary. If I give Mongo, it will get auto sync automatically. You don't need to anything. You need to do anything. It's a secondary. If you give rs dot status means you can see which is primary and which is secondary. See, this 73 is secondary.
Okay.
Okay, this is secondary, this is primary. 240 this is the one which where I have done the initialization. So if I give Mongo hyphen u admin, and if I give admin at 123, see, it is my primary.
Okay.
Show dbs, it is showing. So these dbs will be there here as well. See, give me 1 second. What is the error showing? List database failed. Number long. Error message, not master and slave. Okay, false. Oh, it won't come in slave. No, it will come, right?
It's not MongoDB.
There is some error. So this is the concept for configuring replication. You got this, right? Like how to configure a replica. That's it. So
Mm.
once you have initialized this, all the once you have initialized this, you need to replace the IP. Once you have initialized, everything is done. I have done perfectly only. So everything is done. So this is so the replica set is configured. So if you want to reconfigure, and if you change the any IP as a primary and any IP as secondary means, you can give this and you can do the changes.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Then you can reapply that. So that if you give rs.status, you can see the output. Give me 1 second. Let me see one thing. Like, let me stop this. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Let me stop this and restart it again. Admin. Okay, db dot. Let me restart this. Shut down. So server is down. Okay. Now I am giving this. Okay. If you see this, out of 3 node, 1 node is down. Okay. If you give rs.status here, you can see this state. See. Hello. You get
Yes.
me?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, what it's showing, it's not reachable and healthy. It is not
Ah.
healthy, it is showing. Whereas the other node is showing secondary. So this is nothing but state. His health is equal to 1 means the health is in health state. And name is nothing but the IP and which IP of that particular cluster, private IP. Then
Oh,
this
okay.
state STR, the primary or secondary or this thing. Uptime is how many hours the server is up. Uptime
Okay.
is nothing but like how many op time is nothing but the op log only will send. You will say like transactional log. So here we will be having op log, so those op log will be the same, that will be the logs here.
Okay.
So there you will say right transactional log. So here we will say as op log. Op log is nothing but operational log. So this operational log will have the changes happening in the database, so it will send the records to the secondaries.
Oh, okay. To the secondary.
So that is the op log. This is the op log time. Then op time durable. Then op time state, and last the applied wall and last durable wall heartbeat. Everything it will show. You just need to check with these things: name, health, state, str, and op time. So op time is will show you the thing. Okay. If we give there is one particular thing is there, rs dot local dot op log. Sorry, local dot db dot local dot op log op log
Hmm.
dot rs dot stats. This will give you the size, like what is the storage size, what is the index, what is the cluster time, operation time, everything it will show.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you give rs dot print replication slave replication info means it will show like how many seconds behind the primary it will show. If we give rs dot print slave replication info means it will show this is the source and this is synced to this time, this much seconds behind the primary. So I am running this in secondary.
Hmm.
You got this? The another source was not healthy or not reachable. Every details it will show.
Oh, okay. Yes, clear.
Yeah, here I have given the document to check the uptime date of primary and secondary. You can run this query, and if the replication is high, you can stop the how to fix the replication. If the replication is high, means we need to restart the MongoDB. Okay. If you, for example, if your database size is 10 GB, these things, these details we will study in tomorrow class. Okay.
Okay.
In depth. So this is the concept for configuring master like 3 node replica set. Have you seen this? You have any doubt on this?
Give me have I seen it before? Is that right?
Sorry.
Oh, I thought you said have I seen the 3 replica before for MongoDB?
Yeah, this is the process for configuring 3 node replica set. Are you
Oh,
okay with the steps, like how how you have
oh
seen
yeah.
like how I have created it?
Yes. I've seen it. I like the way you documented that in the Word document. Yeah, that's very straightforward. Yes.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. Let me see why this error is coming. It's perfect. Not
So people don't
allocated
use
behavior.
Google anymore. So it's ChatGPT. It's more straightforward.
Sorry. So
Um.
see, this is because like it doesn't not allow reads. You're
Oh,
connected to
okay.
secondary
Oh, okay.
default block, so it's maybe updated version, I guess.
Oh, okay. Okay. Allow read from secondary. Okay.
Police and allow reads for primary. Inside Mongo S, I need to give this and I need to give this. It's saying okay. Beats updated one. Now if I see show DBs, see all the DBs came here.
Ah.
You got this? So
ChatGPT is
same
great.
here. If I
Exactly.
give .rs
Compared to.
secondary, okay, means I guess like I have worked in 3.2 version. So 3.2 version, this was not. See, this was not listed, but they have upgraded it. It seems.
Oh, okay. Okay.
See, all the DBs was there in secondary node, two secondary node, and two primary node. Okay. For example, let's take like let's use one database. Let's use um, use library. Okay.
Okay.
So collections. Okay, db dot employee dot find one. So I'm just inserting one record here. Okay, so as of now here it is how many records are here means db
Mm-hmm.
dot employee
Fine.
count.
Okay. Count.
It's two documents are okay. Now I'm adding one document. Okay, db dot. So before running this I will show you there as well. Okay, and say this is in primary. I'm going with the secondary. Use library. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I'm just giving this. Okay, see two count. Okay,
Ah.
now I'm
Okay.
adding.
It's
Now I'm
replicated.
adding one value. Yeah, it's replicated already. Means it will resync automatically. So in other database, you will have some logs and you need to make that sync. But in case of this, if the server is down, also means if you restart it, it will get again synced. So that
Okay.
topic we'll see tomorrow. These replication issues. Next tomorrow class is full of replication issues. How to check the replication lag. How to these things I will teach you in next class. Means tomorrow class.
Okay.
So today's class we
Mm.
have said the difference between replica set and sharding, and we have see how to configure a three node replica set. So this is the process for
Yes.
configuring three node replica set.
Okay.